There, you was a good boy. Joseph was a good boy. You wanna go out? You wanna go out? Say hello. Joseph was a good boy. You was a good boy. You didn't scream, Joseph. Huh? Oh, Joseph was a good boy. Where are you going? I give you peanut butter. You had shower? Yeah, you had a good shower. Huh? What did you say? You're a good boy, shower? You're a good boy, good boy. You want peanut butter? Oh, you have a shower. Good job. You're a good boy. It means he put in his cage already. Yeah, you already did? You already had shower? You waiting for peanut butter? You was a good boy, you didn't scream? Good job. How about Tenora? How about you did that earlier? Good job. Good boy. قربونش برم. Good boy, shower. Does you had the shower? You had the shower, Joseph? You want more? Yeah, hold it. Hold the spoon. Hold the spoon. Hold it. Hold the spoon. Good job. You want more now? Joseph, he learned. You know, when he's holding his spoon, having peanut butter, after he finish, he don't drop his spoon, right? He give it back to daddy to ask for more. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, you're so smart. Yeah, you hold the spoon, you don't drop it. You give it back to daddy, so daddy give you more, right? 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 Joseph, always good boy. Yeah, did more for you. To proud of yourself, understanding daddy. Good? Yeah? Enough? Is that enough? Yeah? Good boy. Now go eat your food too. I know you didn't eat your food, did you? Did you eat your food? Yeah, I know you're a good boy, but did you? You mean you ate your food? Give daddy a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give daddy a kiss. I miss you. I miss you. 뭐래? Yeah, good boy. Go back to your cage. Daddy tomorrow working. Today I was working too. So tired. Okay. Daddy going to eat dinner and go sleep too. Yeah. See you tomorrow, okay? Okay, good boy. Love you. Night night. Night night, good boy. Good job. Good boy. You are good boy. Are you shower now? Yeah? Joseph shower? Do you have shower? Good job. Good job. Good boy shower. Okay, see you tomorrow. Night night, good boy. Good night. See you tomorrow.